All right, one more thing I forgot to tell you. Um, you could potentially be getting leaks through your light. If you don't know this, maybe somebody replaced the thing before you got your truck or whatever. Um, is that these are the screws are supposed to have these little black, they're like a pan head, I think that's called, screw. Um, and they're supposed to have these two little washers in here. One is like a rubber, and the other one looks like a little metal one, or it's like cone shaped or something. Um, I lost the washers for one of my screws, so I'm gonna try to see if I can't rig something up with some, like an O-ring and maybe a vinyl flat plastic washer. And because that would be thicker than what's normally in here, I'll probably end up needing a new screw. I don't know if these screws will work, but I'm gonna kind of play with some ideas today and see what works. But yeah, just be aware that you should have some kind of a flat rubber washer, gasket type washer, um, and then like a cone shaped one to help seal these screws up. You can see there's some rust on those U-nuts that help trap that give the screw something to go into. And if you don't have some of those, you got to go buy some. You can get them at the auto parts store. They are called U-nuts, U-nut. They come in all kinds of different sizes. You see these ones are like open tipped, um, because otherwise it would run into the edge of the thing here. So you might have to, you can buy some, you'll have a hard time buying some that are like that, but you could buy some that are like this that have a full box end, and then you just cut that off and then in half, because what actually holds the screw in is the part on the opposite side anyway. So, all right, that's it.